This How to 1 Minute will show you how to stream Paramount Plus on Discord. Open your Discord and open the actual server where you want to stream the Paramount. And make sure to open your Paramount Plus here. And we have to select a voice channel to stream on Discord. So I'm going to select here general voice channel and clicking on share your screen. And now select the window or tab where you are watching Paramount Plus. And if you want to share your Paramount Plus audio also, then you have to check this option and click on share. And as you can see, I've successfully started to streaming my Paramount Plus on Discord. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.